Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in a rich text module in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all of your marketing tools and features. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with various options listed. From this menu, click on Marketing. This will expand a submenu with additional options related to your marketing activities. From that expanded menu, click on Emails. This section is where you can create, edit, and manage all of your email campaigns within HubSpot. Now that you're in the Emails section, you'll see a list of all your existing email campaigns. Browse through this list and locate the specific email you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on that email to open it in the editor. This will load the email's content and allow you to make changes to any section of the message. With your email now open in the editor, look through the different sections and modules within your email layout. Click on the specific section where you want to insert a link. This could be a paragraph, a heading, or any other text block within your rich text module. Clicking on it will activate that section for editing. Next, you'll need to select the exact text or phrase that you want to turn into a clickable link. To do this, click and drag your cursor over the text to highlight it. This tells HubSpot which words should become the hyperlink, so make sure you've selected the right portion of text before moving forward. Once you've highlighted your desired text, look at the formatting toolbar that appears at the top of the text editor. You'll see various formatting options like bold, italic, and alignment. Among these options, you'll find a link icon that typically looks like a chain or interlocking circles. Click on this link icon to open the link insertion menu. After clicking the link icon, a new panel will appear with several options for the type of link you want to create. Under the section labeled Link To, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all available link types. You'll see options including email address, email subscription link, file, meeting, one of your pages, and URL. Each of these options serves a different purpose depending on what you want your link to do. For this example, let's say you want to link to an external website. Click on URL from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to insert any web address that you want your recipients to visit when they click the link. It's the most common choice for linking to external resources or landing pages. Now, in the URL field that appears, type or paste the full web address you want to link to. Make sure the URL is complete and accurate, including the http:// or https:// at the beginning. Once you've entered the URL, click the Insert button. This will apply the link to your selected text and close the link insertion panel. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a link into a rich text module in HubSpot. Your selected text is now clickable and will direct recipients to the URL you specified. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.